What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the JJPRO X2. That's right, JJRC went pro on us when they came out with this one. This one is the second iteration of the JJRC X1. That was the first brushless toy grade hybrid that JJRC came out with, and this one was the sequel to it. Of course, I modded mine a little. I put these little foam pads on the bottom instead of having the plastic legs that they come with. The legs are kind of bouncy. I threw these gem fans on here. I think these are 5152s. And this is the way I fly it. This is a line of sight flyer. No flips on this one. So Chuck, bad chisel. This one here is for you, man. You probably already got one, I don't know. But yeah, this one does no flips. It's just a line of sight flyer. So you just fly this one line of sight, no tricks or anything. You can, however, get this to flip sometimes if you're flying with deviation or a multi-protocol transmitter, because this thing, you have to start the props to spinning with a switch, and that's the reason why you can't do like manual flips that easy, because when you bring it down all the way to low throttle, the props continue to spin. So what you have to do is hit that switch that arms it to turn it off. And so you're basically turning it off and starting it back up in the air. So it's a gamble for sure. Hitting that switch to try to get it to do a manual flip. And I would recommend not trying that. I have been successful doing it a few times, but a lot of times it just goes down. Sometimes it won't reactivate. It won't start the props back up if you're not right side up enough. So if you're at a bad angle like that, a lot of times it won't start back up when you hit that switch. So you have to time them almost perfectly to get it around this angle, about that degrees or better of level, for it to start the props and all. So anyway, we're going to get this up in the air, show you guys how it flies. And it's kind of weird that this one isn't available anymore. It's been discontinued, but you can get the JJRC X1. I think it's the version 2 of the JJRC X1, so they're good. I plan on buying another one because I don't have one right now. I have two of these X2s actually. And I think with the second version of the JJRC X1, you can actually pull off flips. I think it has a flip button. I'm not sure. Another good thing about this brushless quad is that you can use small batteries like this and get away with it. It can be powered by these small 25C. This is a 1000 milliamp hour 2S pack. I did change the connector there, but I have flown this with the 750 milliamp hour 2S pack that came along with the what was that, the hexacopter that I like to fly around from MJX, the X600. So we're going to put this one down. I got my jumper out here, so it's down to the jumper now. That's the yaw rate. And that's the best of a funnel we can do. So it's a nice flyer. Not too crazy or anything. You can bank and do nice flying with it. It's pretty fast because it's brushless. It comes with bi-blades, but I like the stability of these tri-props here. Check it out. It has nice lighting, nice enough to do night flights. You do have this bright white light in the front there. Red in the front again. Have this loud helicopter in the air. So again, they put red in the front, green in the rear. The range is always going to be good if you're flying with a jumper. I like this one. It looks really cool. We're not going to fly it long. Got this little battery in here. Manual flip. Whoop, that one wasn't going to make it. This one is jumpy on throttle. Can't get another manual flip going. The first one was good. Here we go. Whoa, that wasn't gonna work. We got so much traffic over here. Try manual flip again. Oh, down low. Everything. Oh, it ain't gonna work. Oh! You can stay over here, I guess. We got two trucks coming. See some line of sight proximity. Make it through there. And come back. Woo. Manual flip wasn't gonna work. I can't see now. Bring this guy in.